Hello. So today I have with me Scarlett Solo, which is the third generation of audio interface by Focusrite, and there's been the first generation, the second generation, and this is the third generation, which is the smallest. We're gonna be opening these together and see what's inside and test the audio quality from this. This is the first time I'm gonna be using anything from Focusrite, and this is an audio interface. And I bought this so I can increase the quality of the tutorial audio that I do on this channel. So let's do this together. Yeah, so we're gonna be unboxing this Scarlett audio interface now. It's a solo audio interface. It's quite small. You can see, you can put it in your bag, and let's just open it. So it's got a seal here. Rip that out. Yep. As I open it, there's a top of it. It's a very small paper. Put it there. It's actually wrapped in another plastic bag. And it's here. It's quite small, and I like the red color. It seems really smooth. I hope it's scratch resistant, and it's got these four stands that you can put it on the table. So it's pretty smooth on the table like that. And as you can see, the back, this is the front actually. So that's the audio interface for microphone. That's the microphone interface port, and that's the gain. So it's got the gain for microphone, and it's got two buttons here for the microphone, 148V and the hair to clear the hair. Also, it's got another port for if you're playing any instrument, say guitar or piano, you can actually plug that in here. But I'm not playing any music. I didn't buy it for musical purposes. It's just to enhance the quality of audio for my tutorial on this channel. So that's it. And it also has that's the gain for the instruments. And I must say the knob on this interface is firm and smooth when turning. So looks like it's built rugged as well. So also it's got the monitor, playback monitor here for playback audio. So that's the jack for headsets. And at the back of it, it's got speaker to left or right, line out speaker, and also the USB-C ports. So what else is inside the box? Let's see. In the box we have another kit, another cardboard, and inside this cardboard is the USB-C cable to USB 2.0. So that's the connection to the laptop or to your PC or your Mac. Yeah, we're going to be trying this out, and we're going to see how it works. So, oh yeah, here you can see on there's a little graphics on there's a little graphic design on the cardboard here. If I move it closer to the camera, you can see it's just telling us that it's pretty much plug and play technology. That's your Scarlett connect through USB-C to your PC, or your USB for your Mac. So yeah, just click here to start getting started, and I think it's gonna install the Scarlett app on your Mac. Looks like that's an icon there. So you click, boom, that's it. If you experience any difficulties, they tell you where to go here. Yeah, So far so good. It looks like it's going to be straightforward for us, and let's test the audio quality out. So let's plug this to the computer and see how far. So we're plugging this to the computer now, and let's see. Voila! Yeah, it blinks, and on the screen, on the laptop screen, I can see like a pop-up on the corner of the laptop. So if I click on that pop-up now, it takes me to the browser, and I just need my audio to be enhanced. So what I'm going to do now is I've got a mic. Let me show you the mic that I'm going to plug. It's not an expensive mic, so I've got here with me it's about 40 pounds to 50 pound mic on eBay or on Amazon. It's Audio Technica, so that's what I'm going to be using. Also, I've got a little filter here, and I'm going to drop my mic on the holder and use the filter to block that. So that's the mic we're going to be using, and it's got the spots that is on the interface here. So I am about to plug the mic to that mic to the mic interface. Looks like that's it. Don't need to do anything to the mic. We need to turn the mic on. Okay, I can see that it's blinking there. So yeah, that's it. Sounds. Yep. Hello, 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 hello. Can you see that on the? You can see, if you see when I talk to the mic, you can see the green light blinking. And if it's too loud, I think if it's too loud, hello, hello, it's red. If it's too loud, you can see your color is orange to red, orange to red. So you don't want it to be too loud. You want it. I can just put it on 50% there, like halfway through. So it looks like the mic is connected to the audio interface, and I can see the signal. I'm going to test this out, and in the next tutorial, and we're going to both see the difference between the normal way, the basic way that I was just using the computer audio in, and now that I've got the audio interface with this mic. Let's see the quality that is going to bring to the video or the audio on the channel. Thank you.